Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic. What if you're alone in the woods and you've only got a tarp and a pole? How can you survive? Find out. Help. Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic. Now, before I tell you how to survive in the woods with just tarp and a pole, if you haven't subscribed, it means a lot to me. I'm out in the woods, in the dark. Please, it's simple, it's free. Scroll down, if there's a red button that says subscribe, subscribe. We have tons of amazing videos that can inspire you, can be some ideas, or even help you out just for one night. So go on, help me out. Otherwise, back before COVID, I know, feels like a long way away. In episode 58, I got introduced to Lee, and Lee loves bushcraft and he also loves tarpology. And he showed me how to do a tent in just simply a tarp and a pole. So here's what we got up to last year. How are you?
Pretty well. Weather's not on our side, is it, today?
Not really.
I
think it's the first time I've actually shown off this coat in a Scoutadelic episode. So yeah, so it is, yeah, great weather. Yeah.
But we're making shelters, so
this is it. Well, this is the question. So you're going to teach me a scouting skill. So what are you going to show us and talk to us about?
Okay. So today we're going to look at something called tarpology.
Okay,
it's a
cool.
nice word. It's making different shelters out of tarps.
Right, okay.
So I think when most people think of making a shelter out of a tarp, classic ridge line,
yep.
Just triangle, nice easy shelter.
Yep.
I've got a couple more
okay.
shelters to show you.
Yeah, yeah.
And then at the end of it, I'm going to teach you how to make a tarp tent. So it is possible to make a tent out of just a tarpaulin, a sheet of fabric, and a walking pole. That's all we're going to use. So we'll get onto that.
All right, so let's see some others. So we're going to move with the camera now. Oh, look at this. This is like so. Ooh. Okay, so what's this one here then at the back?
So the back, this is it's almost a tarp tent actually. I've just said I'm going to show you it later, but this is just from a single sheet of tarpaulin. This is sort of showing off. This is tarpology origami.
Right. Okay.
But we've got, if hopefully you'll be able to see, we've got a door and it's got a floor. So just out of
a door and a floor. Who knew?
A door and a floor.
A door and a floor.
So just out of one sheet of tarpaulin, a tree, 3 pegs, and we've got somewhere you could shelter in the night. You haven't even got to worry about something underneath you. Very simple shelter, but really nice, interesting to build.
Okay, and then you've got this one here.
Yeah, this one's more basic again. This is just a simple lean-to, so we've just got one connection up to the tree like we have the tent, 3 pegs, and this is quite nice if you've got a lot of wind and things coming in. You just put that downwind, come up over the top of you. Not quite as elaborate, but would fit more people under it for the same piece of tarpaulin.
Nice. Okay. So those are the 3 that you've already done our Blue Peter moment, and here's some that you prepared earlier. So now we're gonna you're gonna show me a tarpaulin and a walking stick.
That's the one.
Okay.
Walking pole.
Walking pole. Okay, let's go there then. So you're gonna teach me a skill that involves this.
Yeah.
And a tarpaulin.
And a tarpaulin.
So what do we need to do first then?
So we're going to unfurl the tarpaulin where we want the tent,
right.
And then we're going to peg out the 2 back corners.
Okay, all right, different. I was like, I'm going to need to do this first. No,
we'll leave that until a little bit.
Okay, all right. So we take the tarpaulin and we're pegging the back 2 down.
Back 2 out. Yeah. So let's lay it out in a square.
Okay.
Take a couple of corners each.
Yeah. There we go. There we go. Okay.
Right, so if you've got some pegs, we'll peg these 2 out.
Yep. There we are.
Right, so we pull these front corners forwards.
Yep.
Now, this is the trickiest bit.
Oh, nice. The trickiest bit here. Yeah,
let's have another peg.
Never told me that, did he? Okay, another peg.
So we're going to peg out this corner.
There we go. Right. Oh, is that your corner?
Both these corners.
Oh, right, okay.
But we're not going to peg them out where they are.
Right.
We're going to peg them out so they're roughly halfway between where they are and the middle.
So it wants to be there?
About there, yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be accurate, but... Now, clever bit. walking pole.
Okay.
One of us is getting under there. So we're aiming
How do I feel that's my responsibility now?
So,
Okay.
what you're aiming for
Yeah.
is if you put it somewhere about there. Let's go somewhere about there.
Somewhere about there. If you haven't noticed, it's somewhere about there. Is about there. Yeah. Okay. Right. All right. Yeah.
And then you're going to expand the walking pole so it's pushing up into the top of the tent, into the top of the tarpaulin.
Okay. Come on. You don't see me again. Right.
I'll send in a rescue party in 10 minutes.
Right. Okay. So going in.
Yeah.
Round about here.
I'll come forward a bit back towards me. I don't think it needs to be quite, quite a bit more maybe. Yeah, let's say there.
All right. Okay.
If there's enough on the walking pole.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tighten that. Yeah, that's good.
First
That
attempt.
is
First attempt. That's all I'm saying.
pretty much a tent.
Wow.
So all we would do, if we were keen,
Yes.
and if we want to try it,
Yeah.
we would tighten those bits back.
Right. Okay.
So should we have a go at that?
Yeah.
To make it a bit better. So, little trick.
Okay.
If you're looking to attach a piece of string to a tarpaulin when you haven't got an attachment point,
Yeah.
I've just got a little pine cone, tiny little thing I picked because stone would be good enough.
All right.
Push it through the tarpaulin,
Yeah.
clove hitch,
Okay.
and then we're going round the pine cone. And this is where the third hand is used. So that's it. Pull that tight, and then we can tighten that back.
No way.
And then we've got the peg bag over here. There you go. The peg.
Nice. About. Is it there?
Yeah. Yeah, roughly.
Yeah. And I
from
want
the other side.
So I want it to be that side, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And
There's
then
a bit of string. I shall hold that for you.
Thank you.
In your way.
Thank you. Right. So clove hitch.
Yep.
Well, I figure out that from obviously my clove hitch.
Well done. And we have.
He did say well done. Whether that got it on camera, I don't know, but he did say it. I'm sure of it.
And there's a peg for you.
Wow. How epic.
Nice little tent.
That's brilliant. Oh, nice.
So all you'd have with you if you're out on your hike, you'd have your walking pole anyway. Pack yourself a tarpaulin, a little ground sheet, your roll mat, whatever you need. Bed for the night.
Wow. Thank you.
No problem.
Ace. That's ace. And we did record it, so that's okay. I've done that once before. That's ace. That's brilliant. I love that. If you liked that episode, then don't forget to share it and like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. Otherwise, look forward to seeing you guys doing some amazing tarpology out there and using that cool little term. I'll see you again soon for another one of these. Bye.